ChatGPT recently got its biggest update during OpenAI Dev Day. Now we can actually create our own GPT for any purpose, such as copywriting, web design, or even sales management. We even have a new beautiful ChatGPT interface. Let's dive now into this topic and let me show you how to create your own private GPT. So wow, it's looking great. At the first look, we don't have our button in the middle with the ChatGPT 4, search with the Bing or even the DALL-E, because we have now this one in the left top corner, but there is important fact, everything is combined together. When we look on here, we don't see the DALL-E or even the search browsing with the Bing, because every stuff we can now do in the ChatGPT 4. And what else we have, the ChatGPT 3.5 or even the plugins. In the really left top corner, we have our button to create our new chat, alright? And there we can expand our sidebar. So we have our recent chats and now we have the new button Explore. When we click here, we can explore our GPTs. So this one's made by the OpenAI, alright, so we have the data analysis, game time, or even the cosmic dream, or just we can create our own GPT, which we'll cover exactly how to do step by step in this one video. So if you would like at the begin, you can try out this one's made with the OpenAI, alright, because there you have a lot of great stuff. Nevertheless, we'll click on there, so create a GPT, and there we have a lot of great options. So actually we can create our GPT, configure, or just preview in the same time when we are doing this one, alright? So we can adjust it to our preferences. Quick reminder, if you would like to receive a lot of great recent content about the AI technology and a lot of more free resources to download, please hit subscribe button and like this video for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you. So let's go over to building our own GPT. And we'll do this by typing the messages inside this box. So this one on the left side of the page, alright? And really important fact is that you can keep your messages in the friendly tone, alright? So you can do this like previously when you were typing something into ChatGPT. So you don't need to provide some code or whether just really advanced instructions. Because you can type just something really simple. Like this one, make a software engineer who helps format my code. And we'll do something really similar. But for my case, I would type something like, make me a course creator that helps me in creating online courses. And by this way, you are creating your own GPT in step-by-step format. So now we have the following question. Is the name CourseCraft is great? And I would like to have another one, so I can type, give me one more suggestion. And now I like this one, so Edu Builder, so I can type yes. And it created our profile picture relevant to our topic, so education. So we have the book, that's great. You can just change this image by typing there. So if I would like to change this, I would type something like, change the image. Alright, but I like this one. So what we have else? Now let's refine the role and goal of Edu Builder. How would you like it to assist specifically with online courses? Should it focus more on course design, content creation, or student engagement techniques? And for now, I would like to get the content creation. Then what we have, so next let's discuss any specific things you would like to emphasize or avoid in its interactions. So for example, I would like to avoid advanced vocabulary and, for example, understandable for 13 to 14 years old kids. Afterwards, should it have a formal tone or be more casual and friendly? It should have formal tone because it needs to be as professional as possible. Alright? So basically, after entering this entire information, we have finally our GPT all set up. So we are ready to use it. Nevertheless, first we'll go over to the tab, which is a configure. So right there, alright. So there, as you could notice, we have the entire information about our model. So the name, description, whether the instructions, so we can change the ones that we made with the GPT builder, but for now we will leave it. Alright, then the conversation starters, the knowledge, so we can upload our files with the knowledge. for example, a lot of data to work with to help better understand the GPT, how it should work like, whether in the left bottom corner we have the capabilities, so I suggest you to leave it up, and now we are ready to test our new GPT. So now we have the actual ability to create the content for our online course. So whether this is the description or the title or the subtitle, alright? So we can type something like, create for me 5 title suggestions based on this one. And we can actually enter our link, for example, to the course. So I will paste it and now send this message. So the initial title is ChatGPT Complete, Improve Your Daily Life with ChatGPT. And there we have the suggestions. So the ChatGPT for Daily Success, a comprehensive guide, I really like this one. Mastering Daily Tasks with ChatGPT, a step-by-step course. This is also great. Everyday AI, transforming your routine with ChatGPT. And as I told, we have the 5 suggestions. Whether we can ask now, for example, for the great description based on the one that I have in this one course, alright? So let's check it if our Edu Builder can manage to do this. And the great thing is, and I actually love it, is that you can like speak with the friend, alright? And for this case I typed, now create the description same length, alright? So with this one that I provided the link for, alright? So let's see if that works. And then we have, so our pretty new description with the same length as this one in the link. But now what I would like to do is to configure our instructions. So for this case, I would like to show you that our GPT is really precise and it does everything that we want, alright? And what I actually can type. Every time write the word ChatGPT in the brackets. Like. And now the example, alright, so ChatGPT, and that's great, we can leave it. And what we can type? Create the similar description for the course, and I provided the link. Furthermore, we have this one announcement, so GPT is updated, alright? And there we can see if that works. So that's great. With the each word ChatGPT, we have this one in the brackets, and that's amazing because, as I told, the GPT is really precise. So everything that we'll type in the instructions, it will be considered in our response with our GPT, alright? So finally, we finished creating our GPT. There, if you would like to save it, you can go over right there, but there we have the 3 dots, you can delete your GPT, but we wouldn't like to do this. We can save it. And for example, go over and send it to the public, so it will be great for the monetizing in the future, or only people with a link, or just only me, alright? So nobody will be able to see it, but I would like to keep with this one option, so the second one, and click confirm, and right there we have it. So name of our GPT, the description, and the producer of this one, alright? And there we have the message box, we can upload the files, or just whether if we click here on the 3 dots, we can hide it from the sidebar, alright? And that's something really great. We can here edit the GPT, copy the link for this one for the friends, or create the new chat with this one, alright? And that's something really awesome. So I hope that you liked it. If you do, just hit the like for the YouTube algorithm and hit the subscribe button to don't miss the new recent ones videos about the ChatGPT and AI, alright? If you would like, I recommend you to buy my ChatGPT Masterclass, where it will be updated for a long time. Alright, so there you have a lot of information about the ChatGPT, the best use cases, and everything about this amazing tool. So I leave the link in the description. And that's all for now. I will see you in the next videos.